Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto redirect all login requests to actual WordPress login page in WordPress using .htaccess file. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in hosting and in file manager. Now you see .htaccess file. So right click on it and click on edit. So we are going to add code in .htaccess file. So file is open and paste code here, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see rewrite rule login, and then you see wp-login.php. So all login requests redirect to actual login page in WordPress by adding this code. Now click on save file. So click on save. File is saved now, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section to redirect all login requests to actual login page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.